Welcome. In front of me I have OnePlus Nord 2 5G, and I will show you how you can change your always on display theme. So currently set up on this digital clock, but we can easily change it. Let's go for the settings and find personalization. Then click on the clock on the ambient display, and as you can see here we got a few different themes that we can set up. You can pick another clock, you can pick the text clock or this kind of the animation. So let's pick this one, click apply and take a look right now. As you can see, our theme of the always on display has changed. And that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.